This is a poem about awakenings of love watered and nurtured on seedbeds of lies and deceit, while yet we smile and snuggle closer, trying vainly for the non-existent intimacy. Their knives are out, cutting out hearts from the roots inside out. There's awakening of love culminating in excruciating pain. Oh, daughters of Jerusalem, do not awaken love before its time. It awakens awareness of souls derailed from the Lord, of bodies defiled in sexual sin, of lives sold out to money and narcotics, of minds given over to the devil, dwelling on nakedness, on sex, on drugs, on who is the next ex you are gonna put to the ex. Demons controlling you while you swagger around with the ladies swooning over your swag, awakening your ego to astronomical heights, while hearts lie at your feet, trampled in tattered ties of bloody pieces. This is a poem about awakenings.